purpose, hands steady and sure. Building each project